Hey guys, what is up? My name is Kendra. Welcome to my first ever vlog. Sorry to interrupt this broadcast, friends. I am coming to you from the far distant future. I found this vlog in the depths of my phone and can't believe that I didn't upload it, so I thought it would be a fun one to upload now. Hope you enjoy. What's up, legends? Today is a bit of a lazy day because I have no children and I am completely alone. I love my alone time. I really feel like some BICCIEs, so I'm just going to make my favourite choc chip and sultana biscuits. This is what I made when I left home, and it's got like all old school recipes and magazine cutouts. Oh, and this one. This is one that we made in high school in home ec class. But it's got heaps in here from my friends and from my mum. Nellie's ground rice. Ground rice is an old school like custard thing. Anyway, this is my favourite biscuit recipe because I feel like having a cup of tea and a biscuit.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you.
Oh yeah! That means my BICCIEs are ready. Oh, hello my pretties.
Call me a fan. I'm living cause we've been making magic. Times I get nervous but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so
Oh, hey Papa.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another pottery video. I'm John Potter.
We've been really busy in the house lately, so I'll give you a bit of an update, hey. Show you the progress report. Don't mind how feral it is out here. It's been raining non-stop for a little while, but we have ripped up the 2 concrete slabs that were here and we are getting a nice big patio built along there, and then Lee and I are going to pave that. Then our newest project at the moment is, look at our lovely doors. That's Lexi's lovely one. The ensuite. So we actually demoed this on the weekend. And I'll show you what we got from Bunnings. So again, excuse the mess. I'm dog sitting at the moment. So we've got a cavoodle pup. And we've got a big, giant Bernese mountain dog at the moment. But we've got a lovely new vanity here. And it's going to have like a wooden top. So we're going to just varnish that. So that'll sit on top. And then we have this round sink. And we still have to get the tap or the plug hole for that because we didn't realise. Waste not included. We didn't know what that meant. Anyway, and then we have this lovely black tap. Can you see that? Sorry, tools are in the way. Yeah, this lovely tap here as well. And then this is going to be the floor tile. It's got like a little bit of a grain through it. Why is it wet? That's weird. Yeah, it's got a bit of a grain through it. And then on the walls will be white subways. I'll show you like my Pinterest board for our inspiration.
And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. It's you they're all waiting for.
So I've got no kids at home today, and I thought that I would do some fun things while they're away and clean the linen closet. So let's go do that.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
Okie dokie, so I've got everything out, well, except for those things because they don't need to move. But that's what we got going on, guys. Just going to go through all these things and all the actual linen that goes in the linen closet. I found, oh, don't mind that. That was a souvenir from Bali. It's actually a bottle opener. We got stopped at custom because it was wood and we had to declare it. So it was pretty embarrassing having to bring out this giant penis. Bindy's enjoying rooting around in all the things. Aren't you, Bindy? Did you find anything fun? Hey, did you find anything good?
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
Wait, do you have to eat that? Bindy? What are you doing? Guilty, aren't you? Okay, I'm just stopping for a quick break because it is almost 1:30 and I need to have some lunch. It's taking a little bit longer than I expected to clean up my linen closet. Thought I'd only be going for, like an hour or so. Anyway, this is what I'm going to have for lunch. I'll show you. So, I have just made, it's like garlic prawns, but with, these are the prawns that I got. Don't mind the use by date. They have been in the freezer. These are the prawns that I got from Coles. They are on special for $2.50. And I thought, well, why not give it a bash, hey? And it's so crazy because they actually look like prawns. They don't exactly taste like prawns, or what I remember prawns tasting like. But, like just for a quick meal, they're pretty good. Maybe they changed the texture too because I did put them in the freezer and then I defrosted them. So that could have changed the texture. Anyway, they taste like, when you get like those really bad calamari rings, and they're like rubber. They're kind of like that. They just don't have that snapback feeling like calamari rings do. So this is a finished product, guys. I'm super stoked. It looks really nice and neat, and we cleaned out lots of stuff that we didn't actually use anymore. So it looks a little bit bare on this towels part here because I just did a load of towels, so they're still drying. And also got rid of a couple of doona covers, some of the quilt covers that we don't use, and they're just our tablecloths. And then down here, I haven't put anything in this one yet, but I'm planning on putting like gift wrapping and just stuff like that I've got in the other closet in the laundry. like the broom closet. And this one has some sewing things, massage stick, mash boxes. I did have this grand idea that I was going to make an advent calendar out of these, but that didn't happen. And then just got some bags down here, backpack, and my one and only little purse that I own. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? I've had this for years. And then up here is just a box full of like gift things. Here is our where we keep our medicines. We recommend these ones. If you suffer from a UTI, go get the cranberry flavoured ones because they're a bit more tastier than just the plain ones. But that'll sort you out. As soon as you feel like you've got one coming on, go grab one of those. This one is just like our overflow, the stuff that doesn't fit in there. So we've got some knit cream. If you have kids that go to school, you'll need knits. Knit cream. Water remover, spew bag, Sudocrem, Vicks, calamine lotion, a wheat bag, and oh, there's some brush heads. Then I've just got my wax pot. I waxed my mo and my chin today. That's the joys of getting old, I guess. Spare pillow if we have guests. Well, we never have guests. And then just our switch box, and I don't know why we're keeping that. An old puzzle. Our documents. Lee's safe that he's had forever. And then there's like Lee's little trinkety things. His old Atari. His hat that he got when he went to Disneyland. And he actually collected key rings when he was younger. So cute. There's Bruce Lee, and that's my little porcelain dolly. My mum got me that one because she thought that I was a pouty little girl when I was younger. And that's it. Oh, sorry, Bindi. I stood on you, little one. Hey. And then we've just got these is donations to go to the op shop. Oh, it has progressively gotten hotter as the day's gotten on, and I've had to put my hair up because I'm sweating balls. Okie dokie, so it is almost 4. Time for afternoon tea. I don't know whether I want, well, I definitely want a coffee. That's happening, even though it's 32 degrees. I am a bit sweaty, but an addict's got to have her drug. So I'm going to have a coffee, but I don't know whether to do a sweet or savoury snack. I did make some hummus the other day and it's pretty good. Although those BICCIEs, oof. No, I've had too many sweet things today. I'm going to have savoury. Done. Joys and the realistic representation of looking after a puppy. Ugh. Far out, Brussels sprout. Although I don't know how these things go, so forgive me if this is the crappiest vlog you've ever seen in your life. Yeah, cracking start. I'm really good at this, as you can see. I have already said that.